this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm show you how you can activate dark skin mode to your iPhone 11, iPhone 10 or any other older version of iPhone. Even the new version 12, 13 you can do the same, or 14 even. So you have to unlock your phone. This is very basic tutorial guys, nothing fancy. Go to your setting option. Here we go, very simple. In setting you have to go to display. Here you can see display and brightness. Go inside this option, and at the top you will see light version or dark version. I put dark one. You see all become black. Beautiful. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.